We are in Mayong now, and it took us about 1.5 hours to come here from Guwahati. And this time I was excited. This is the third visit, my third visit, and finally we came to the spot directly, listening to some lovely music on the way, and it felt like as if the journey should not end. But after coming here, the feeling is so good, and this time it felt as if we were uh, guided to come here alone, because she said that if you can find your way, go alone. So it felt nice actually, and after coming here, it feels really good. That pull, as if now I'm convinced that it was a call from here, because now no one is there.
Right. Calming
Well,
energy over here. I think this is a very calm, serene place, and a lot of energy here
a lot of energy here.
for sure.
There is some magnetic pull which is there, which keeps bringing us back here.
Yeah. And luckily this time we didn't have any disturbance coming on the way. It was like uh, we were here, of course, earlier, and I think it was very well guided throughout the way this time.
Yes.
So um, feels very special to be here once again.
But I have no idea why people talk so negative about this place.
This has a very, very, at the cost of repeating again, I think it has a very calming energy. It is so calm, so smooth, very magnetic. So we are in the middle of this beautiful, serene jungle, and we have this stream running through which we spoke about the stream having magical therapeutic powers in the water it has. And for all the lovers who go to the fish spa to get their feet taken care of by the fish, it's actually happening right now when I'm speaking. You know, there are about some gazillion fish there working their way through me currently as I'm sitting over here. But it all feels still very nice and very serene and very calm, though the energy is real, and we feel it in the way we are sensing a lot of things here in the energy.
100 साल का बाद आदमी को बोली देता है
200-300 साल पहले
वहाँ पे तो बोली का बाद हम उसे ले आया हम लोग पिताजी को चाचा जी लोग नाना जी लोग नीचे ले आया बोली को बंद किया बाद में हम
बलि बंद कर दिया
बकरी देता है
अच्छा
साल साल
तो अब कब देते हैं बकरी
साल में जो पूजा हम साल का
कब होती है वो पूजा
और साउन
कहाँ देते हैं?
इधर देता है
अच्छा, इधर
मतलब इधर कोई मूर्ति नहीं है अंदर में ना
So it was very interesting talking to this gentleman who is a tribal who's been here from centuries. You know, I think their tribal family has been here more than 300 years, and they've been protecting this whole space, the integrity of this space, and
but a huge ball of energy is here.
a huge ball of energy.
I can feel it churning inside.
Yes.
You know.
Yes, despite sitting in the cool water, there is this energy which is
No,
getting
and our
inside.
phone is shut off after every 30 seconds trying to record this, and we have been here since hours now.
It talks volumes. And so the gentleman was talking about 300 years back, Narbali happening and everything. So I think it was pretty much a part of the tribal law at that time of somebody doing wrong to the point where somebody needed to be executed, and that's how the Narbali would happen. Otherwise, they'll not just pick up anybody like a cannibal and just.
Absolutely, and this is the place, and they have created another temple which is towards civilization, and that is not the place. Remember, last time I went and I
Yes.
saw that, and I said this cannot be the
This
place
cannot be the place. That's right.
where that eggshell was there.
The blue eggshell, flamingo eggshell was there.
I'm loving the energy here. I don't feel like going back. Lack of words, actually. Seriously, lack of words. But I think the amount of people that go to the Kamakhya temple, I think even 1/10 would come here. I think they would get what they want. It's not about getting actually what you want, you know. I think you need to be. So people should be very careful about what they should ask here, I think.
Yeah.
And it should not be something flimsy. not houses and cars and money and this and that. I think it should be more of knowledge,
Wisdom.
togetherness, love, and the rest.
No words at all.